Yo, Cuts by Reggie, back with part two of the, I guess, I don't know, I don't have a really title for this, but I guess, tools for beginning barbers or barbers, and I don't know. I don't know, but this part gonna be the trimmers, all right? Yes, I'm doing all this in the same day. Yes, Office is my favorite show, one of anyway, but that's nonetheless. So, we're gonna go ahead and get into the trimmers. We're gonna start with the corded trimmers. If you've been watching my videos, you already know my favorite corded trimmers of all time. My favorite trimmers of all time. You can't go wrong with the T outliners. Once you get this, yes, these are modified. You can't buy this like this from the actual Andy's website, but there's plenty of people, or you can go to Home Depot, get your saw, cut them in half, cut it. But these are my best, my favorite trimmers. I think these are the best trimmers you can buy. I don't think there's anything that even come close. Again, my opinion, $70. And if you look, you can probably get them for 65, maybe 60, depending on where you're shopping. All right. So my number one clipper, and I really didn't have a second corded trimmer, because I don't use a lot of corded trimmers, but this $70 can get you one of the best trimmers I think is on the market. You can switch out the blade, put the GTX blade. The GTX blade helps with like more coarse hair, thicker hair. Not that you will have a problem with the regular blade, but some people like the GTX blade better. I'm fine with the regular blade that comes on it, the T blade. Of course, you can get it square with the square blade if you like the square blade, but the T outliner blade is very helpful in, getting around the lips and stuff like that. So if you're looking for a corded trimmer less than $100, boom, that's it. All right. And like I said, I am gonna do tools that I got, or tools that I have at least used. I've used the detailers, and those are my second favorite corded trimmers, but I don't have a pair of detailers because, again, I don't use them. I used to use them for like going over designs and stuff like that, but since I got the Babyless Gold FXs and then the Calibre Stingers, I don't go back to the detailers to use them for anything. All right, but they are a great trimmer. You get them out the box. They already set to an extent. If you heavy-handed, pull that blade down a little bit, but you can get them on Amazon for maybe $60. Again, another great clipper under $100, and those are from the Wall Detailers. All right, less than 60, maybe $60 on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can get them from Atlanta Barber. If you're looking for corded trimmers, again, I'm not going to do too detailed on what's included. I'm just giving my opinion on based on price. Both of these trimmers, the T outliners and the corded detailers, are $60, if that. So if you're new to barbering, or if you just need a new trimmer and you're on a budget, or if you just looking for something to try, the corded T outliners and the corded detailers, you can't go wrong. Both from Andy's, both from Wall, two of the top companies in the industry. For now, they need to work on some things, but they are the two leading brands in the industry of barbering. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the cordless trimmers. I was gonna just do two, but I had a late entry from another company that I think is making moves. All right, but we're gonna go ahead and go to the cordless detailers. Great trimmers. The cordless detailers are, oh, I forgot, $139, $135, $130. They like $140. All right. Once you start getting into the cordless realm, it's hard to find things under $100 because everybody's looking for that premium price point and making it seem like, oh my God, I got this, right? So, cordless detailers, very good trimmers. These come out the box sharp, maybe too sharp, but that's trimmer number one. All right. My next two trimmers are kind of newer companies. So we're gonna start with one of my favorite companies, JRL. JRL in 2020 did some great things. Of course, you got the 2020T, You got the 2020 C as the clip in the clipper. They did great things like this right here, and then they brought the flake. Well, we're not talking about clippers. We're not talking about clippers. We're talking about trimmers. This is a great trimmer. I'm talking about the build of it, the sound of it, the LED light up that when you get them, the design, everything about this is a great trimmer. And when you get this trimmer, you can get it for $105. The only problem that I have with this, just like I've said in my review, is this on the pre-order system. I'm not a fan of the pre-order, but $105, $105. You hear my voice cracking. You can get these trimmers on their website for $105. So that's probably the cheapest, best cordless trimmer, in my opinion, that you can buy. A JRL 2020T. All right. So make sure you check those out. They are on the pre-order system. If you are looking for a unboxing and review on these, I'll leave a link down in the description of my video. The only problem that I had with these is I didn't like their blade. So on my version, I do have the Andes T outliner blade, which goes back into the T outliners. Can't go wrong. All right. And then my third, and the reason that I did a third trimmer instead of just doing two like I said I was going to do is because Calibre brought out the 22 Stinger. This is my favorite cordless trimmer. I love the JRL 2020T, don't get me wrong. And the gold is the gold Babeless FX, whatever, great. All right. These right here, when y'all get y'all hands on these, y'all gonna be in heaven. All right. And you can get these on the Calibre website for $139. $139 can get you this beautiful charging dock stainless steel accessoried up trimmer. All right. So I just did a full review on these. So if you're looking for a review, I'll leave the link down in the description. Again, I'm not going too detailed on what each one of them include and all that, but I am letting you know, if you own a budget, if you're looking for some clippers and trimmers to get the job done, these are, in my opinion, some of the best choices that you can make based on pricing and performance. These are my opinions. Please don't go too hard on me, because somebody gonna tell me I forgot something. I know. But either way, so the top two corded trimmers for price and performance, the T outliners from Andes and the wall detailers. All right, both of them about $60. And the cordless trimmers, based on pricing and performance, in my opinion, the wall detailers, the JRL 2020T, and the Calibre 22 Stinger. All right, I'll leave the links down below for all the tools that I'm talking about. You can look for them and come up with your own decision based on if you think I'm right or wrong. If you think I'm right or wrong, leave a comment down below. All right. If you like the video, thumbs up the video. If you dislike the video, thumbs down the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Cuts by Reggie. I'll be back with part 3 next week. Peace.